Here are our best places to visit in Northern Ireland. First on our list is the Giant's Causeway, which is Northern Ireland's most famous natural attraction. Around 40,000 basalt columns were formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. Although local legends say they were built by the giant Finn McCool, whether you come for the science, the myths, or the stunning coastal views, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is an unforgettable stop. Then comes the city of Belfast, which is a vibrant capital of Northern Ireland where history meets modern culture. You can explore the colorful cathedral quarter, discover incredible street art, stroll along the lively waterfront, and enjoy the city's famous pubs and restaurants. Belfast is one of the Ireland's most exciting cities to visit, and you can enjoy the city by riding on the hop on and hop off bus. And of course, it's also the home to world famous Titanic Belfast, built on the very site where the RMS Titanic was constructed. Next is the dark Hedges, which is a beautiful avenue of beech trees planted more than 250 years ago. The next attraction is Rathlin Island. Just a short ferry ride from the mainland, Rathlin Island offers incredible wildlife, rugged cliffs, and peaceful scenery. It's the perfect escape if you are looking for a quieter side of Northern Ireland. During spring and summer, thousands of seabirds, including puffins, nest along the coastline, and of course, this makes it a must-visit place for those into birdwatching. Then comes the Glenariff Forest Park, which is one of my favorite places as this offers an excellent day out with family and friends. Famous for its spectacular scenery, waterfalls, and woodland trails, it also has lovely picnic areas, so it's the perfect place to bring some food and relax. The peaceful forest walk take you past rushing streams and beautiful viewpoints, making it one of the best places to experience Northern Ireland's natural beauty. Not to miss is the Carrick-a-Rede rope bridge that links the mainland to a tiny island once used by salmon fishermen. Crossing the bridge is an adventure in itself, with incredible views of the cliffs, turquoise waters, and on a clear day you might even see Scotland across the sea. Next on the list is Tollymore Forest Park, known for its colorful rhododendron trees, river walks, and stone bridges set beneath the Mourne Mountains. The Mourne Mountains are among Northern Ireland's most breathtaking landscapes. Whether you are tackling a challenging hike or enjoying an easy walk, the views here are well worth the effort. Then comes Mussenden Temple and Downhill Beach. Perched dramatically on a cliff edge, Mussenden Temple overlooks the golden sands of Downhill Beach and the Atlantic Ocean. The combination of historic architecture and breathtaking coastal scenery makes this one of the Northern Ireland's most iconic viewpoints. Derry is a historic city in Northern Ireland, known for its famous city walls, rich culture, and fascinating history. With its beautiful riverside views, lively atmosphere, and welcoming people, it's a wonderful place to explore and experience. As one of Europe's best preserved wall cities, I highly recommend you to go for a walk on the Derry walls. Next on the list is Dunluce Castle. Located on a dramatic cliff overlooking the Atlantic, Dunluce Castle is one of Ireland's most iconic ruins. Once home to powerful clans, the castle is steeped in history and surrounded by spectacular coastal scenery that feels straight out of a fantasy film. If you are a Game of Thrones fan, this is a must visit. Located in the original filming studios at Banbridge, the tour showcases authentic sets, costumes, props, and behind the scenes secrets that brought the world of Westeros to life. Antrim Castle Gardens is one of Northern Ireland's hidden gems. Beautiful flower gardens, peaceful waterways, and woodland walks make it the perfect place to relax. It's a quieter attraction that's ideal for anyone looking to escape the crowds. Also, every Christmas, Antrim Castle Gardens will be transformed into a glistening, festive wonderland, and visitors have loved this enchanted winter garden. A river walk from Antrim Castle Gardens leads to Lough, the largest lake in the British Isles, surrounded by peaceful villages and scenic trails. It's a great place to experience the region's quieter, more natural side. Last but not the least is Ra, also known as Hare Krishna Island. Home to a peaceful Hare Krishna community, the island offers beautiful gardens, tranquil surroundings, Hare Krishna temple dedicated to Sri Sri Radha Govinda, and a chance to experience a completely different side of the country. Thank you for watching and wish you a lovely holiday in Northern Ireland.